Hello, we are giving you a rapid review on the topic respiratory system. Let's start. Respiratory system consists of nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, lungs, alveoli. Let's start separately on the topic nose. Nose is lined by the pseudo-stratified ciliated columnar epithelium. Nasal chambers are divided by the nasal septum, which is made of hyaline cartilage. Here we see the word epistaxis, which is very important. Focus on this word. Epistaxis means the bleeding from nose. The area where epistaxis occurs is also known as Little's area or Kieselbeck's area. Focus on the word Little's area or Kieselbeck's area. Moving forward to the topic paranasal sinuses. Paranasal sinuses means air-filled spaces present around the nasal cavities. Air-filled spaces present around the nasal cavity. Its function is to make skull lighter and aid resonance to the voice. Here you can see these mnemonics frames. This will help in the entrance. FR means frontal sinus, E means ethmoidal air cells, M means maxillary sinus, S means sphenoidal sinus. You can see here in the diagram, light is pink color. These are the frontal sinuses, and light is green types. It's ethmoidal air cells. Yellowish type sphenoid sinus, and these are the maxillary sinuses. Remember these mnemonics frames. These are 4 paranasal sinuses: frontal, ethmoidal, maxillary, and sphenoidal. Moving forward to the pharynx. Pharynx has been divided into 3 parts: nasopharynx, oropharynx, and laryngopharynx. Nasopharynx, its situation is behind the nose. Oropharynx, its situation is behind the oral cavity, and laryngopharynx is situated behind the larynx. Nasopharynx, its main function is for the passage of the air. It has the respiratory function, that means the passage of the air, whereas oropharynx gives passage for both air and food. Laryngopharynx gives passage for the food. Oropharynx gives passage for both food and air. Okay. Moving forward to the topic larynx. Larynx, there are 9 cartilages in this larynx, whereas in which 6 are paired and 3 are unpaired. Paired, we can see here, this is the mnemonics ACC. ACC, A refers to the arytenoid cartilage, C refers to the cuneiform, and another C refers to the corniculate. Unpaired has also the mnemonics. It has in the entrance. Please remember this. ETC. ETC means E refers to the epiglottis, T refers to the thyroid, and C refers to the cricoid. Making it more precise, you can see here in this diagram. Here is the red. This is the epiglottis. Okay. I'm just giving you a surface knowledge. Please go through the book for its deep knowledge. Here you can see this laryngeal prominence, which is also known as Adam's apple in males. The laryngeal prominence is produced due to decrease in the thyroid angle, which is 90 degree in the males and 120 degree in females. Here you can see this cricoid cartilage, and these are the C-shaped tracheal rings, which are known as tracheal cartilages. Trachea, these are the C-shaped rings, which are 16 to 20. These are made of hyaline cartilages. Here you can see this type of C-shaped rings. These are them. And we have 2 lungs. Right lungs is divided into 3 lobes, which is divided by the 2 fissures. One is oblique fissure. This one is horizontal fissure. Whereas you can see here in the left lung, here you will get only one fissure there, which is oblique. it has been divided into only 2 lobes. Remember, right lung is divided into 3 lobes and left lung is divided into 2 lobes. You can also learn like left means forward to divided by the two lobes. These are the some types of mnemonics you can make by yourself. This is also very important word, cardiac nodes, which gives some space, which give where the heart lies. Okay. Mediastinum, it's also important. Mediastinum is the space between left lung and the right lung. We can assume here, you can see this one is the sorry, yeah, this one is the mediastinum. We have some muscles of the respiration. During normal quiet inspiration, diaphragm, external intercostal muscles are used, whereas in forced inspiration, diaphragm as well as external intercostal muscles, same types of muscles are used, whereas in forced expiration, we can see here internal intercostals, abdominal muscles. Abdominal muscles includes external oblique muscle, internal oblique muscle, rectus abdominis, transverse abdominis. You just need to recall these muscles. No need to study about it in its deep. Okay, just have some surface knowledge regarding this. You will study in further. Let's discuss regarding diaphragm. Diaphragm is a chief respiratory muscle. It is dome-shaped fibromuscular partition between thoracic and abdominal cavity. During inspiration, this here you can see in this diagram. This one is the diaphragm. It flattens during inspiration and become dome-shaped during expiration. It is the main characteristics of the mammal, but also present in where? Crocodile. Please remember its exception. Maybe it will help in future. It also present in crocodile. Thank you so much.